You are the demon slayer, Mitsuri Kanroji. Please, you must help us.
What is that thing?
Hey, asshole! What gives?
I should have expected such a foul mouth from a demon as ugly as you.
Ugly?
Love breathing, first form. Shivers of first love!
I recognize you now. You're one of those Hashira, right? This Makima told me all about you and that you were the real deal. But I gotta say, you're a lot hotter than I expected.
And you're a creep? You should learn to keep your mouth shut.
You asshole! Is that all you got?
Love breathing, second form. Love pain!
You know, if we had stopped earlier, I know a nice ramen spot nearby. It could have been our first date.
I'm sorry, Master. I failed you.
What the hell? You didn't say anything about having a boyfriend.
I didn't teach you to give up, did I? Now stand up and set your heart ablaze.
What? This was supposed to be a 1v1.
You saved us. Sorry for pushing you. You saved us. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Umai.
Umai.
Hey, pass them down here. Whatever. Losing my body ain't nothing. Soon I'll kick all your asses.
So that's what you like?
No. What? Literally, what made you think that?
I don't know. He's tall.
Well,
3 swords.
not anymore.
It's true. I guess you could say he got too ahead of himself.
That was almost good.
Thank you.